This morning we're at Bashakill looking for a waterfall. Nope, that's not the waterfall. And I have no idea where the waterfall is. I've seen pictures of it online, but none has posted any coordinates or location. I do have a hunch that it's along South Road because somebody mentioned that. But South Road is a long road. I'm not sure exactly how long, maybe 5 miles long. Fortunately, you can drive along South Road. Hope you get lucky and spot a waterfall from the roadside. All right, looks like we found it. We'll just have to go find parking. Okay, I found parking. It's just off South Road. Back there looks like there's a nice trail. There's even a footbridge to cross a creek. So I suppose there's something nice to see out there. We'll go check that out later. Meanwhile, we're going to head over to the waterfall. Restricted area. So it looks like we can look at the waterfall but not go anywhere near it. Where I parked, there is a little trail. Let's go check it out. Let's see where this trail leads to. The trail splits. There's one that goes off to the right. Let's keep going to the left, where the footbridge continues. And we've come to the end of this trail. Oh, let's see where that other path leads to. Okay, so I'm not going to go there. Looks flooded. So let's head back to the car. Bashakill is a 3,000-acre marsh that has been designated as a wildlife management area. To my understanding, that means it's an area of nature that has been preserved for wildlife. Plenty of wildlife to be found here. Small mammals like beavers, otter, and Bashakill is also a great place for bird spotting. The bald eagle has been spotted here as well as the osprey. It's a 3,000-acre marsh that has a good concentration of wildlife. There are trails around the marsh. I understand Bashakill is a perfect spot for beginning kayakers. So yeah, plenty of activity to do around here. Right now now it's winter, it's a Saturday morning, and it's kind of misty and drizzly, so there's nobody around other than me. But in the summer, I would imagine this place would have plenty of visitors, so plan accordingly. Right, we're here at what looks like a small dam with a platform to view it. Water is so clear. Not sure if you can see it, but it is very clear. So that was another waterfall for you. I've been to Bashakill several times in the past, and I've kind of heard there is a waterfall, but from pictures I saw online, it didn't look too impressive. It is not a vertical drop as in the traditional sense of what a waterfall should be, but still, it comes at an angle steep enough to be, in my opinion, classified as a legitimate waterfall.